Meaning of effectual.
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 Effectual. The word effectual means producing the intended or desired result. It implies that something is successful in achieving its purpose. When something is effectual, it brings about the expected outcome or consequence. An effectual action or method is one that is capable of producing the expected results. For instance, an effectual product design will meet the needs and expectations of its users, while an effectual marketing strategy will increase sales and revenue. Overall, effectual refers to something that has a positive impact and achieves the desired result.